Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to change your real name on the Xbox Series X or Xbox One. So all you have to do is power on your console, and then at this homepage, select the settings icon on top of the screen to access all settings. And then within the settings, select account, and then choose privacy and online safety. So choose that. And then you might be prompted to type in your PIN if you have set one. So type in your PIN. And then from here, select Xbox privacy. Then scroll down and select view details and customize. So choose that. And then within this page, select profile and then go to the option how you look. So this is your real name. Okay, as the description says, your name is from your Microsoft account and it's used to identify you across a broad range of Microsoft products and services. So this is your real name. So if you want to edit this name, so select edit name, and then you can edit your first name. So let's say, for instance, let me change it. So edit the first name, and then you have to edit the last name. So select that. And once you're satisfied, give it a few seconds to apply the changes. Once done, it will appear after a few minutes. So it's recommended also to restart your Xbox so that the changes can be applied. And that's basically it on how to change your real name on the Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.